Decorator really went to town in remodeling our living room. I'm afraid to ask how much it's going to cost. Charlie really went to town on his research project. He consulted over 40 reference works and wrote a 90-page report. Next, to let slide. To let slide means to neglect a duty, to ignore a situation. Terry knew that she should have paid the electric bill on time instead of letting it slide. Now the utility company has turned off her services. When he tried to get a rise out of me by mentioning my failure to receive a promotion at work, I just let it slide. Search me. Search me. I don't know also beats me. This idiom is used informally, usually as a command form. When Elmer asked his wife if she knew why the new neighbors left their garage door open all night, she responded, "Search me." When he asked Derek why his girlfriend wasn't at the party yet, he said, "Beats me. I expected